this intro is going to be longer than how long it takes to pull this push button start out. So it's a brand new Toyota. It is a Camry, but I have no way to prove it to you other than walking up and telling you, hey, listen, take my word for it. It's a Camry, okay? Now, in all that time, look how fast it is to pull a push button start out. Ready? There you go. Just yank. Now, to get it completely out, there's a little tab right there. There's a tab on the other side. All right? You can squeeze them and push it forward. You see? That's how easy it is to pull this guy out. You see? She's coming out. She's coming out. Let's do it completely out. Nope, there you go. Done. Done. Is there a number on this thing? Probably so. No, I don't know. Oh well. Upright. Push it. There you go. Let's make sure it lines back up. And then we're going to push it in, pop it back in, and here's your new push button start. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.